So Margarita is cooking some meal over a fire over there. That's supposed to be a soup, chicken and potatoes, and we'll see how it turns out. So I know it's dark and zoomed in, but those two little dots that you saw in the rear view for a second was Ninja. She was staring out at the other campsite where I'm at with the campfire. We'll see if she comes out. Nope, she's still looking out with the devil eyes. On the bed, looking out the bedroom window. Of course, the bedroom's got two windows, but life being a baller. Two windows in a bedroom. But she's got the screen door open, wide open. She can come out anytime she wants. Maybe we'll see her later. Seven-month-old dog Jack loves his mom. The old goat showing the young stud how to cut wood with a chainsaw.
Before you start, make sure you're standing good so you're not going to trip or anything. Get stuff out of your way.
It's a family adventure getting firewood. I know. They don't have eye protection. We already talked about that.